Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share this delicious protein I've been taking. If you're a chocolate lover, then I highly recommend this whey protein from Natural Factors. I love the fact that it's grass-fed and it has no chemicals. I'm going to give you one of my favorite recipes. It's the protein powder with some almond milk. You're going to throw some hemp seed to increase the protein intake, any nut butter, and I personally add a little bit more of cacao, but that's just optional. You add ice, you blend it, and you enjoy it. This protein, it's not overpowering, it's delicious, it's sweetened with stevia, and it literally tastes like a dessert. I love this protein from Natural Factors, and I highly recommend it. Not only is this protein great for a smoothie, but you can also use it when baking or when having your oatmeal. I love it, but that's just my point of view.